Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to save a road in Apple Maps. You have to start by open Apple Maps application and then select the destination. You can write it using the search or you can just select it. The map. We have it. Then click at the three dots at the bottom and go to create a custom road. We have the first point and we need to add more points. So you can add one more. You can also click at the blue dot. This is your current location. So you can click on it and you will have between 2 points, but right here I have between 3 points, and you can add more points here to this road. Then click Save Road, give it a name or just leave what you have here, but let's call it Test, and then add the check mark at the right side. Then we need to wait a bit. I'll speed up it for you. So we have the road and we can find it if you click at the profile icon at the main feed. Then click at the places. In the first line we have roads. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!